Celebrating the happiest man by Jeremy.
Get ready with me. Char. Because it's Jenna's birthday. There's a konti. Blow dry tayo ng hair. Mag-isa ng konti. Para gumagdaganda naman ng konti ang mami Jana. Kasi lagi hindi nakaayos. Guys, tayo mag-effort tayo ng konti. Konting effort for John's birthday. Baka sa ganda ng anak ko. Super cute niya sa kanyang red dress. Kailangan natin magayos kasi baka magpapagkaman tayo niya. Ready na?
Alright, we are back for another episode of The Married Life. And it's another getting ready session. My wife is almost done and she looks gorgeous. Charing. And it's a back-to-back vlog for us this time out because it's, well, today is Jana Red's third birthday. So it's my daughter's birthday and we're going to, I forgot the place, my wife booked the hotel. So, just an overnight stay to celebrate Jana's birthday. So, it's a simple celebration for her on the third birthday. But alongside that, magkasunod sila kasi ng birthday ng lolo niya. So, 29, today is her birthday. And on the 31st will be Lolo Jo's 70th birthday. So, we'll go through another vlog for that birthday celebration. It's a surprise birthday celebration, so very interesting vlog. The first time we'll be covering a surprise vlog. So right now, sineset na namin actually yung mood sa kanya at nag-aalala na siya, wala daw siyang handa. Gusto niya nga maki-birthday kay Jana. Gusto wala siyang handa. So sinasakyan lang namin siya, leading him to believe na wala siyang celebration. Okay, but that's for another vlog. Today is Jana Red's Day. And we'll take you through our simple celebration and check out the place. Again, it's a travel vlog, so at the end of the video, hopefully you'll get to decide if it's also a place that you want to take your family. Okay, we'll see you on the road.
Yay! Hi, birthday girl! Hi! Hi ka naman! Dali na! Say hi! 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 Say hi! Hi, birthday girl! Hi na! Mag-hi na eh! Hi! Naiya ikaw! Shy! We just picked up Jana Red's cake. It's just a bento cake kasi hindi naman kami pala kain ng sweets masyado. So, it's very cute. Very cutesy. Oh, wow. Cutesy. Now we're going to the hotel that we'll be staying at for Jana's birthday. See you later. We're here. We just arrived. We're here. Yan.
Is that your name?
Yes.
Check in, sir. Check in. Alright, so we're here at Rizal Park Hotel in Manila. There's Monty. Okay, and we're about to check in. Let's go. Hi.
Come here na. Let's go ka.
Left.
This one.
Yung keycard lang.
Yay!
And we're here. So we finally checked in. Okay. So quick view, a tour.
Pwede naman ang room. Yung interior niya. Pati yung sa labas na lang. Hallway, everything. Instagrammable. Very parang medyo Paris yung style. Hindi mo na sa Paris.
Silipin natin ang okay. Yung comfort room maayos naman. Okay. There you go. Tamang space lang. May shower. And ito meron silang big cabinet with wall-to-wall mirror. Ang isang initial comment lang namin dito is
As a garden. Garden view.
garden view daw, pero
Kala ko naman talaga.
it's a roof view. Yung garden nandun sa baba yan. Also the smoking area.
So you really cannot appreciate that.
So yun, sayang kung na-champion sa sea view. Unfortunately, according to my wife, there's no option in the website to choose either a guarded view or a sea view. So mas maganda sana kung sea view. But kung matin naman si Kuya, he mentioned that the pool is facing the sea. So maganda daw ang facade doon, maganda mag-picture. May gym, may sauna, may kids zone, mayroong gaming area. So hopefully, mabisita natin later on. So for now, let's fix our stuffs first. Maybe get a quick lunch after this. Okay? Birthday girl! Hi, birthday girl! Hi! Say hi!
You're so pretty. It's a birthday girl, so pretty. Look at her shoes. Oh, yung kanyang outfit for today. And of course, we're ready.
Team Red!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jen Red! Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye. Okay, still fixing our stuff. So, ayan, ito naman. Bumili kami ng quick merienda. That's Frank sausage and fries. Para habang nag-ayos kami may palipas gutom. Pamatid gutom rather. And then after this, we'll go down. Filipino cuisine tayo.
Yes.
So we'll try the Filipino cuisine restaurant. Dun sa banda sa lobby. And we'll take our lunch. So another comment. This is by the way, deluxe king size room. And ayun, the room is okay, very clean, but yun nga, walang mini ref. And what else? Saan mo kanina na? Wala? Oh, wala siyang ref, but good points naman in terms of yan. Tingnan naman, may ironing board. Oh. Siyempre, yun, may iron. So, which is, you know, very good. Walang mini ref, so siguro hindi rin expect na magdadala ka ng kung ano dito and you put anything there since they have a restaurant. Anyway, all good. So, continue preparing. We'll see you later at lunch. Bye-bye. This is a quick update. As you can see, my wife's been busy. So, she's already set up the bed for, you know, picture. And another update. TV. Only cable TV. Rizal Park Hotel. Come on, guys.
Super makaluma pa sila.
You need to upgrade. You know, we need to have Netflix, YouTube. You need to have smart TVs already. So, I'm not sure why they're not upgrading. But it is what it is.
Grab your hand.
And the lock of the comfort room, we just noticed that it cannot be fully locked. So may space siya na uwang. Pag sinabit mo kasi lost thread yung pinaka-lock niya. So I'm just giving outright feedback. Makalimutan ko na because marami agad akong napansin. Simula pa lang. Hopefully, during the course of the day, turn around naman ng Rizal Park Hotel ang aming experience. We'll see you at lunch. Picture. Bye-bye. Going to lunch.
Grabe, ang hirap. Ang hirap yung picturean. Super powerful. Ayaw niya naman mag-smile.
Just ordered lunch. So while waiting, I left Jana and Jane in the restaurant. So I'm at the courtyard. We call it the courtyard. This is the smoking area. This is a place for smokers. Just real quick smoke before I head back and we'll eat our lunch. See ya. Taob ang kaldero. Sarap puro cake.
Ha?
Puro cake.
All done eating.
Okay, welcome back mga kasakal. So done with our late lunch and now we're off swimming. So yan, yung magpapasaya kay Jana, swimming lang okay na siya. Okay, so we'll see at the poolside. Sabi kanina ni Kuya, facing the sea daw. Maganda mag-picture doon. So let's check it out, see if it's accurate. Bye-bye! So we're on our way to the pool. Malfunction daw ang elevator. So we'll need to go to the escalator. At since inopen lang daw itong escalator pag may event. So alay lakad kami pataas. Okay naman. Pero siyempre kung oldies ang kasama mo, very not good. Okay? So 4th floor pa kami. So paano to? Ilang akit kami, no? Oh no! Anyway, it is what it is. Hopefully the pool will compensate. And the view.
Hindi ba dito yung second board mo?
So again, kung ikaw ay medyo maitad na at tinabot ka ng maintenance ng elevator, it's not advisable for you. But that's stiff escalator. Oh. So, walkathon. Although I understand na siyempre pag konti ang tao, nitipid sila. Na naman napaka magastos functioning yung elevator with just a few people. But still, it's not a good experience. Okay? So, good cardio. Warm up before swimming. Now we're looking for the way. Sabi ni Kuya, sa fire exit ko kami dadaan. Okay.
First of all, dito na ito lang. Ito this one lang. Let's go.
Okay, so mga tabi-tabing ano to, events place. Well, events room. Okay, so consider. Yan yung mga pinto-pinto nila. Okay. So on ordinary days, cardio. Okay. Okay lang naman. Sana tayo ma-wrong turn dito. Okay, you know? Go through the stairs. Fire exit tayo.
Uy! Pagod na ako.
So medyo ilang akong to. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So mga 6 sets ng gantong stairs. Okay? And kung may elevator, mas mabilis naman of course. But ngayon, since wala, taste is. Cardio na lang talaga. Okay. So that's the final stair. Hopefully you can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Very quick. Tumas ba ko?
Dead end pa.
Bakit ko hindi ko taas? Come here. Let's see. My God.
Where's the freaking pool? Yun, pool na. Okay, so ando na yung pool. Finally here. Kami ng tao. So evidently, in parallel to no escalator. Only a few people. We're looking for the shower. We found the CR. There it is. Pero sobrang panghi.
Oh my
panghi ng shower.
God.
My goodness. Okay. So, hindi mo tayo arte. That's why there's a difference between 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 5-star hotels. So I guess if you Rizal Park, if you want to improve, I suggest you watch this video. Okay? Sobrang pangin ng CR nyo. Okay. So ano ko naman, swimming lang yan. Masaya na yan. Excited na nga siya. Oh. Look at her.
May shower daw sa, may indoor shower daw, meron dito sa outdoor. So sabi ko, since may, hindi maganda yung order dun sa outdoor shower.
Okay. Okay, so positive naman siya namin ni Kuya. It's facing the Sigaw. Okay. So there's the view. Alright. Okay, so since kami lang ang tao, may restaurant to pagka maraming tao daw. But yeah, open yan. But since, yun nga, wala masyadong nakabook, pwede naman daw umorder. Naniakit lang dito yung food. So, it's fine. Naman tayo maarte. Okay. So, yan. Swimming na aking anak. Mag-swimming muna kami. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Bukas na lang, dadalhin sa pabida nila. Nakalimutan ka lang. Sa taas. Para magaluto tumori sa galita. May pantupit naman eh. Dana! Dana! Shh! Quiet ka. Shh, quiet kasi may ibang tao. Hindi daw pwede masyado maingay. So, shh! Quiet! Shh! 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 Quiet muna ha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Blow. Blow.
Hinawakan na! Blow na! Oh, blow na!
Blow. Yay!
Na-blow na naman ko lang. Happy birthday! Mwah! Love you! Love you! Love you! Love you! Say love you! Mwah!
Cha-ching! Okay, so bagsak kami ni Jana after swimming, siguro sa pagod. And now it's dinner time. And we're ready. Okay, so for dinner we are Team Black. Okay, so si Jana is sleepy pa siya. No, wala pa siya sa mood. Okay, so kanina hindi maganda experience namin sa Filipino Kuya restaurant. Okay, medyo matatabang yung mga pagkain. Hopefully, ito Chinese cuisine ang susubukan namin. Hopefully, medyo mas okay naman siya.
Ready? Step down. So pretty na ka naglaan. Yan.
Hindi, ako yung mami, nalagay yung butter yung mga ismara. Yung silver, tapos lagay mo yung silver lang. Tatlo ko.
Wow!
This is exciting for milk. Sana ayaw kumain.
Should we hop again? Let's do it. Are you ready?
Good evening mga kasakal. We're done eating dinner. Okay, so much better experience versus our lunch. And well, one comment, medyo mas patagal yung serving. Usually normally 20 to 25 minutes. I think it took them 35 minutes because apparently yung cook nila already left for the day because it was a late dinner. We went down almost 9 o'clock and last call actually nila is 9:30. But luckily for us, the 2 Michelin chef is here today, so he was the one who cooked our food. Okay, so masarap naman yung pagkain niyang chow rice, salt and pepper squid, salt and pepper spare ribs, and then birthday noodles. So very full at ang dami namin take out. Okay. Kasi feeling ko pang-anim na tao yung in-order namin. But it's Jan's birthday, so it's okay. Food for tomorrow maybe. Sana umaga. Sleeping time. Done with the day. So it's sign off time. Jana, good night. Okay, so hopefully makatulog siya agad kasi naka-nap kami ng 2.5 hours. Kaming dalawa kanina. No? Yun. That's it for the day. We'll see you tomorrow morning, early breakfast. Breakfast is at 7 to 10 a.m. Okay, so kasama namin yung breakfast.
Saan siya? In the name of the... Mag-pray muna, mag-pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good morning. It's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We slept around 12 or 1 a.m. And I'm really hungry na. Kaso yung dalawa, they're still asleep and I don't know if we'll be able to go down and get breakfast kasi tulog pa silang dalawa. And mahirap gisingin si Jana kasi kapag kulang yung tulog niya,
ano siya, sungit. Matagal bago siya magpababa kung hindi natin nakakain. So, I'm also not sure kung makakapagpili pa kami after. Or kasi baka kami nakamakapagpili. So, we'll see if we wake up before matapos yung breakfast buffet. It's until 10 a.m. We still have 1.5 hours left. So, we'll see later.
Good morning! Okay, so sulit na sulit yung tulog namin ni Jana. Just woke up and we're heading to the restaurant for breakfast. Okay, so cutting a chart na kami, 9:10 time check, 9:10 a.m. and breakfast only until 10 a.m. Kalmami! Kalmami! Kalmami!
Why?
Wind the bobbin up. Wind the bobbin up. Pull. Clap, clap, clap.
We're all set.
Can you pretend to be a Vinny?
Yan.
Check out.
Checkout time. As you can see, if you notice sa mga vlogs namin, ito yung lagi namin dala, yung malaking box na to because, very convenient siya for me kasi madaling maglagay ng gamit, madaling magtanggal, and lahat ng gamit talaga namin kasya sa box na yan. Instead na sa maleta kasi usually kapag nagpapak ako ng gamit namin, overnight lang pag ako nagpack, mga pang 3 days, nakakala mo pang 3 days kasi marami talaga ako magpack para lang sure na marami kaming magagamit or pagpipilian or wala kaming makakalimutan. Though minsan may makakalimutan pa. Pero yun talagang ginagamit namin kasi mas convenient siya for me. Unless siguro mag-out of the country kami na kailangan siguro ng maleta. So, in a few minutes, we're just waiting for the luggage assistance and then we'll check out na.
Okay, surprise! Side trip, National Museum. So, nagpark kami sa SM Manila.
So, wala available na parking sa
So, ngayon, riding a cab. National Museum, the history.
Ano tayo ngayon? Educational tour.
Lapu-Lapu statue. Okay. So, educational tour before we end this video. Ito yung hotel na humakang sa Monumento de Rizal.
National Museum of Fine Arts. Grabe, oh. Haggard. Super lakad.
Time check, 6:05 p.m. and it's raining. Okay, so after dalawang ligaw papunta ng National Museum and pauwi, kamali kami ng way. We're finally at Nomo. So we're around 5 to 10 minutes away from home. And tomorrow will be a different vlog. 70th birthday of my dad. And si Jana, kita mo naman, bagsak na. Okay? So quick review lang. Ikaw, how would you rate Rizal Park Hotel?
6.
6. 6. Yung ganun din ako. Actually 5 nga ako eh. Okay, classic, no? Yung mga design ng hotel.
Interior niya.
Maganda naman talaga. Kaso lang talaga yung amenities, medyo luma na, you know.
Maintenance.
You'll see on the videos yung mga kinulitan namin yung bits and pieces ng mga complaint namin about the experience, no. Both on the facilities. Yung mga staff, wala kayong masyadong interaction sa staff. Mababait naman sila pag kausap mo, but again, that's one of the issue. Maybe the proactiveness, you know. A good experience would be the chef was 2-star Michelin siguro, is the highlight of the trip, of course. And si Jana, nag-enjoy siya swimming lang si Jana. So I guess that's it. Okay, that ends this episode of The Married Life. Okay, so as always, you know, I hope you guys subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get notified on the next travel vlog. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next vlog.